The stock market is crashing. Good. Not because I want people to lose their money, but because this is exactly why understanding how investing works is so important. My name's Harriet, if you've not seen me before, and I help people with money and savings take that leap into investing. And I've built a multiple six-figure investment portfolio by doing one thing really well, and that is not letting scary headlines make financial decisions for me. So every single time that the market drops, the headlines say exactly the same thing. The markets are crashing, and then investors are all panicking, and you're thinking to yourself, should I pull my money out? And then what happens is every single time people start thinking, see, this is exactly why I don't get started with investing, because I can lose all of my money. But that is because they've been taught to fear the market drops instead of actually understanding them. So listen, the stock market going down, it doesn't mean that investing has stopped working. It just means that the stock market is doing what the stock market has always done. It goes up and then it goes down and then it goes back up and then it goes back down again and then it goes up. It goes up and down all of the time. So if you're investing for the next 20 or 30 years and not the next 20 or 30 days, these moments are just a part of the journey. That is not a reason to abandon your plan and to stop investing. Right, I want you to think about it like this. Imagine that you're walking into your favorite shop and everything that you've been wanting, like you've literally got this whole special list of everything that you've been wanting from this shop. Everything is 25% off. You're not going to run out of the shop because everything is cheaper, are you? No, of course you're not. You're thinking to yourself, oh my gosh, this is my lucky day, brilliant. I'm going to buy the thing that I want because it's on sale. I've got 25% off. But for some reason, when companies become a lot cheaper for you to be able to buy them on the stock market, people are suddenly thinking, oh my gosh, this is the worst time to invest. So the difference isn't the sell, it's whether you understand what you are buying. So the people that panic during a market crash, they usually do not have an investing problem. They have got an education problem. So confidence, this comes from understanding that the market drops have always happened time and time again throughout history, and that long-term investing is always involved riding through these waves and basically just holding out, because what goes down must come up. And when you truly understand that, and I mean truly understand that, a scary headline, it stops feeling like a reason for you to start panicking. That's exactly why I created the First Steps to Investing Bootcamp. I teach people who've got money sitting in savings but have never felt confident enough to invest how the stock market actually works and how to get started, but the simplified version without all of the jargon and without all of the confusing language. Because once you understand the basics, you stop reacting emotionally every single time that the news tells you to. And that's why my clients, they're not messaging me asking me, Harriet, should I sell everything? They're looking at the stock market and they're saying, okay, what opportunity does this create for me? So here's the thing, the goal is not to predict what the stock market is going to do next. That is absolutely impossible. Nobody can ever do that. The real goal is understanding it well enough that you stop letting headlines control your financial decisions. Let me tell you, once you get that, the market crashes, they don't scare you anymore. They actually start making more sense and you're thinking to yourself, right, this is on sale. Let me go grab a bargain. Make sure that you like and follow for more investing and personal finance content.